Hello, YouTube. Hello. Long time again. I know. Midterms. Over a month. Something crazy like that. So, what we're gonna do is get right back into it. Um, I forgot everything I've done so far, so I'm just gonna go ahead, quickly look at the game, quickly look at the code, see that everything is still working fine, and then get a move on and get it going. See how far we can get today. So let's jump right in. Damn, my transitions are the best. All right. So I opened here my game just to see that it worked. Still, it does. We still don't win, but it works. That is good. And I have two different scripts. One that sets the turn to 0 when you launch the game, and the other one that puts X or O depending where it is. Okay, so next thing we need to do is turn plus equal 1. I want to check here. Change image. Wait one sec. I want to check if my turn. No. Turn. Just turn, guys. Oh, game mechanics dot turn. Whoops. Is 10 because I just increased it. Then I want to, check for the win. Game mechanics point. Validate win. I'm gonna have to add this function here now because it doesn't exist right now. Public static void boolean void check win, I called it. For now, what we're gonna do is just a console.log. Is this how we write debug.log? How do we log in C#? I have no clue what I'm doing. You have reached 10. Someone must win. Oh, validate win. Whoopsies. Okay. We'll see if this works. Play. Let's put the console on. Yeah. Oh, it has to be 9 because it starts at 0. Another bug fixed, my friends. Another bug fixed. If turn equals 9 because we start at 0. Now we're gonna see if it actually works, because sometimes you think you fix something but really you don't. Click. One more. Someone must win. And then what I'm gonna do, is I called this function. Okay. Now what I just realized now while I was writing this, which is why my face was probably pretty weird, I mean, weirder than normal, is that I am not actually logging the position where a player is playing. I need to know where he places X and where he placed his O. So where they are clicking, and he'd be like, okay, he clicked top left, So are these called, they do have a name. I've named them. Thank God I thought of something smart in my life. So what I can do is that when a button is pressed, I am also gonna have here if an X is pressed, I'm gonna go ahead and put X. This is going to have a function. Wow, I'm speaking. Okay, so these are all called something differently. TL, TM, top left, top middle, top right, blah, 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 blah. What's going on is when I'm going to put an X, say I put an X here to middle left, I want to retrieve the tag, the name it has, and say middle F is now equal to X, and save that somewhere so that in the end, when we validate if someone has won or not, we will know where they have played. So what I'm thinking about doing here is have an array. Oh, I've never done an array in C#. This is going to be fun. An array that stores all the values from, you know, the top, middle, and bottom rows, and then validate. It's going to be very boring, you know, tack, 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 tack. Oh, it's only 6, 7, 8. 8 different possibilities to win. It's less than I thought. So, I'll get right onto that and see how I can get that working. How do I even retrieve a tag? First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to try to print it out. So I have here turn number, blah, blah, blah. Debug.log. I want to print out this dot tag. I want to see if this works. First I'm going to go, I'm going to add a line just so that it's, well, I can't freaking type today. It's on a new line, so it's nice. I don't know if I need to do that, but this way I can see if it will actually, if I see the tag that I'm clicking. Wow, words! I can't use words. If I click here, untagged, fudge. Oh, wait. Oh, what's that then? The name? And it's only an X's. Okay, they're not tagged. What is this then? It's name. Name. Let's try that. Can I create custom tags if the name doesn't work? It's also something to see, also something to check out. Oh, TM. Okay, there we go. The name. Boom. Solutions were found on this day. Yikes. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is call a function with this dot name as the parameter. It's, yeah, I'm gonna go say, I'm gonna put in game mechanics dot save state game board. I'm gonna put in there the X and this dot name so that it'll take in if it's an X or an O, and then the position which I have played, and this is brilliant. I'm gonna copy paste because I'm lazy bum. Okay, and then game mechanics, blah, 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 blah. How did I call it? Whoa. Save game board. Public static void. It will take here the name, and here it'll take the position. Oh, why don't you like that? What's wrong? An explicit interpolation is not an interface. What? Oh, wait. Cannot resolve symbol position. So I need to, okay, the types. I want string, position, and what's this? Is this a string as well? I guess. I have no clue. We're gonna test it out and say debug .log. Hello keyboard, work with me here. Should tell that to my fingers, right? I'm gonna type in position plus is plus name. Should be the other way around, but not to worry. Not to worry. Let's test and see what happens when I click a number. X is middle. O is middle left. Okay, I can work with this. I think I'm gonna stop this video now because it's very long and boring at the moment. But I will make the next one where we actually create the array with all the positions on it and store them in, and then we can validate the win based off that. So until then, peace. Thanks for having me. Like and sub, guys. You know, default YouTube outro. Oof, damn. I'm sinking to new levels. Peace.